Hello, I'm Aad and I'm going to show you how to change the cover image of your trip. Now we first go to our trip list. What is the first step on the tab bar? We click on the trip and the trip page is opening, and we currently see the default or one of the default trip cover images. We scroll down to a post where we have a nice image that we would like to use for our trip. We click on this one and we see the post. Now if we click on the image, on the top right corner you get a link, users cover. You click that link, the image is disappearing, you can navigate back, and now on top of your image you have the trip cover image. It's that simple. Now you can continue using Going Walkabout, go on the trip and have fun.